Coast Airport on the flight from Sydney. However, at the moment we're in a standoff position, unable to get to our bay because of the weather conditions on the Gold Coast. So we're standing off for up to about 20 minutes, the pilot says, and then hopefully we'll be able to get off. Yes, the good thing is that it is much needed rain for southeast Queensland and northern New South Wales.
Just give me a hold of what's happening. Well, authorities have allowed the aircraft to taxi onto the bay. Unfortunately, just due to the delay on aircraft departing, we haven't have a bay allocated as yet. We're just waiting for a bay to become free so we can taxi in. Once I have a time frame for that, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks again for your patience.
After 40 minutes, we're finally on the move. We're taxiing down to the international end of the Gold Coast terminal, because we would have probably had to have waited another half hour to get somewhere that was close to the terminal if we hadn't come down this end. So after sitting on the tarmac for 50 minutes, we're finally off the plane and walking through what's a very busy airport terminal here on the Gold Coast today. Of course, all the delays mean that there are people backed up, passengers backed up. One of the interesting things about today's flight was that my Qantas points were credited to my Qantas account while I was still sitting on the plane waiting to get into the terminal.